Good morning, guys. Today is day 2 and I am awake finally. I don't even want to tell you guys the time because it's pretty late, but because I stayed up really late last night, like really late. That's like the latest I've ever stayed up, I think. The reason why is because well, I couldn't sleep, first of all, and so instead of just like chilling in my bed, I decided to do my homework, so I finished it. Woo! That is a good thing. I finished the homework. I went to sleep like super late, so I woke up super late, and I am gonna make my bed. I'm gonna do a little bit of chores. I'll let you guys see that. Yes, I do chores in my day-to-day life, and then we'll just go from there. So it's been so windy. I want to show you guys though real quick because it's been super windy. It literally like woke me up too. So my sister is here. I don't know where she's at though. Oh, she's not there. She's probably in the garage doing homework. Alright, it's definitely been windier than this. And there is a... what is that? It's huge. Anyway, it's been windier than this for sure. And then this thing right here is like right next to my window. So when it was like super windy, it would like hit it. Oh my god, it woke me up. Thank you. Yeah, it's been way windier than this. For sure. Look, you guys could see that tree over there, or like a branch like fell off. Well, hello, sister.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Homework.
Sucker. Disrespect. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm done with the chores, as you saw. I just gotta take out the trashes, and then I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. So I made myself a sandwich, PB&J, and I'm watching a movie, and then a water. Pretty basic. Guys, look outside. I'm gonna take you guys. It's so windy. Every time I try to show you guys, it gets like non-windy. Whatever. We are on our way to go pick up Mark. I mean like you guys and me. I'm alone in my car. Oh my god, look. She's so weird. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my brother Mark from school. And hopefully it's not too dangerous in the street because like I said, it's been windy. It's been windy. So I am holding you guys on this like tripod thing. This is what I use to record my other videos, like when I do challenges or anything like that. But the little legs like in the bottom went missing, so it really sucks because now I have to hold you guys. When if I had the legs, then I could just put you guys maybe like on my dashboard and talk to you guys, but this won't be that kind of ride, so I have to hold you guys. But anyway, I don't want to vlog and drive, so I will see you guys when I pick Mark up. Look at Marky. Hey. Hey. Look at you with your cute little medal. Okay. Can you say hi?
No.
All of a sudden.
Turn it off when you do something.
Okay. Guys, we'll be back. I'll let you know what happened. So Mark just told me that he got a detention. But it's not just that simple because Mark got a detention like 3 days ago. So this is the second one in 1 week. So pretty much we were talking. He's gonna get his ass whooped. So we're trying to think like when should he tell my mom? Today, Sunday. We say Mark said today because then like the weekend she'll forget. But I don't know, guys. Okay, first break it off with your certificate. She's gonna be proud.
No, I should tell it at the end.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. Oh nice. Your football team?
Yeah.
Mark played football and I guess they had like their ceremony or something. Okay, I'll talk to you guys when I'm not driving. Family. ¿Cómo te ves bien? My sister pretending to cook.
Pretending? You eat my food, nigga.
Oh.
Mami, ¿puedo cocinar mi pollo? En los pedazos.
Chau!
Porque aquí mismo voy a hacer el queso.
I just got ready. It is about 15 till 5 and I am gonna take off because I am going to Samuel's church tonight. If you have been following me on the vlogs, then you probably have seen it. I did vlog a little bit last year, but yeah, I'm gonna go with him. I haven't seen him all week, literally Monday through today till like tonight, later tonight. So I'm really excited. I miss him so much. I literally just finished getting ready, and I will show you what I'm wearing because it is super cold outside now. I will show you guys outside too because it's super windy. I know you guys are probably like, Abigail, you've been saying it's windy all a day, but it is. Excuse my mirror too. But I'm wearing this beanie, this I forgot where I got this from. I think Vans. Yep, Vans. It says Vans right there. And then I'm wearing a black long sleeve shirt And then I'm wearing my denim jacket, my dark denim jacket. And then I'm wearing this green coat. I wear this one all the time, but it keeps me so warm. And then black jeans and then my Vans. Well, I just gotta get my purse and my tripod thing, and then we will take off. Guys, I didn't even show you outside. I got in the car real quick. It's literally so cold. I say literally a lot, huh? It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Good thing I wore like all the long sleeves that I wear, but I'm leaving. Teachers doesn't start till like 7. Starts at 7. But I usually leave earlier because he lives about, I want to say like 40 and 45 minutes away. But at this time, like it's about to be 5 right now, and there's so much traffic. So I know I'm gonna hit traffic, so I'll probably end up getting there like 6:40. Like, it takes me that long, I know, to get there. But sacrifices, man, sacrifices. And I'm so excited to see him, so. You see, I wasn't playing. Is windy as a... Yep. I'm here at the church and I am so tired. That took forever, like seriously. Oh, I asked T to bring me a water because my head was hurting and I didn't bring a water bottle. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside in a little bit. I'm just gonna edit the vlog, today's vlog, just a bit, so I don't have to like edit a lot later on, and then we'll go inside. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog inside. I'm telling you now. We'll probably ask T to vlog, but yeah, I'm nervous. Hey, do your little thing.
Oh no. Hold on. It's like, down.
So weird. Hi, baby. Wow.
I'm scared of girls.
I'm in transition.
Or
pencil?
Huh? You have to go on your knees.
Come here, look. You want to go?
Okay? And you have to peg the person in the head.
That's not fair because
Can you have an
they'll
idea?
still
Hit
get
him in the head.
Alright? I'm catching like this. And you're throwing.
good, hurry up.
So
you're throwing dogs
Huh?
I know.
See?
So gotta be a dog.
He would have been out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go.
I know.
How many lights are there?
So like this?
My child crying?
I'll go 3.
5, 2, 4.
Ready?
Right there.
Thanks, bro.
One time. Don't press on the floor.
That's one hand, right?
So like this?
You're gonna pop the balloon.
Cheater. And he is
Look, it's
out.
the replay.
Okay, exactly. There's no
Exactly like that.
You're
Like this.
Hey,
We were the light.
right here.
Listen,
I'm the line.
just hit it up in the air and two of you.
Okay.
Good job, Roxas.
That's why. One of your hands and one of
Now, right here.
Oh, that goes into
You
it.
can't hit your head though. Okay,
I'll pop it up. Someone got it in the head.
Or she's gonna spike it.
Spike.
Catch it.
Catch it. Well,
Round.
You're out.
Go through it.
Jessica.
Wait, but you have to have book.
I did it.
These were
If they catch you, you're out.
Alright.
Sorry. Toss it on the floor. Toss it on the floor.
Get Simon's girlfriend out.
Get it.
We came to eat tacos. Look who's here, Tony. Hey. We came to eat tacos, and yeah, I will show you guys what we eat, and then I am going to end it there because I want to upload this vlog. Stop talking smack. Oh, it is.
It's a hard shell.
Glory, 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 glory.
Is that me?
Get him.
Guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna head home. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.